Hello YouTubers. I actually put this motor in last year. The car just came back. It had an oil leak, a couple of other little minor issues, but it's a 65 Cobra. Got a stroke 302. Got a Holley 2x4 Super Sniper set up on it. Billet Specialties. Built them an air intake system. I haven't driven it yet. The customer is pretty happy with it. It gets its air from under the radiator opening. It's turned out really quite well. But just another project. 56 Corvette in the back, actually 58 Corvette in the background there. I'm just about finished up as well, so